nakakatuwa naman itong si Ethan. Hindi agad nga nakilala ang kanyang wifey. Kaya nung nakilala niya, nagtakip ng mask, nabigla siya at sinabi niyang, asawa ko, panoorin po natin.
Oh, hi, hi! Oh. Hi, hi! Oh, asawa ko? Ah,
Okay, just one.
I'm watching you, Ethan.
She's watching you.
yeah.
I know that you're gonna win anyways, but
Ito lang ako.
okay, sorry.
Na-throw mo na bawi. Next time na. Let's go!
Ocho.
I'm a shipper. Watching. We're ready for battle. Check.
Let's go!
Look. Can you see the eyes? Ano nagdaglayo? Oh. Oh. Ah! Silip.
Oh my God. Masilip na lang.
Yung... Sisilip din siya. Oh, wait, they miss you. Wala eh, ganun talaga guys. Ay, panalunin niyo ako. Ako naging daan. Para makita niyo ulit ang kaitan. Go na. Ngayon lang. Lagi nang nananalo si Ethan. Ayan na.
Spamming na rin sa'yo. Sorry, Chess, for the spamming.
It's okay. Anything for kaitan. Yeah. Oh, panalunin nyo na ako. Dali na. Sorry guys, we're actually like filming now.
Wow. Looks good.
Ooh, thank you! ×2 gifting, ×2.
Right here. Okay.
Yeah, I know it looks good. It's firewall, guys. Let's go. Let's win this. Buboy!
Come on.
Buboy!
Ethan. Bye-bye.
Did you use your sunscreen, Nathan?
Pogi ka.
Pogi ka din.
Pogi ka.
It's raining in Manila.
Pogi ka. You check.
It's raining in Korea.
It's raining in Korea pala. Be safe.
Guys, panunin niyo ako. Kung gusto niyo pang makita si Kylie, isa pa.
Drink your vitamin C.
Vitamin C? No, vitamin K.
Okay.
You know why vitamin K?
Bakit?
Vitamin Kylie. Stacy!
Ang sexy mo din, ha? Tsaka ang sexy niya din, eh.
Oh my God!
Ang hot mo din dyan, bro.
Yeah.
Ang hot mo dyan.
You stole the show.
Guys,
Guys, panalunin na ako.
tulog na siya.
Para...
Kita mo yung
Para...
back ng anak ko, bro.
Pag ako nanalo, papakita ko ulit si Kylie.
Bisaya. Oh?
Pupuntahan ko ulit si Kai.
Sorry. Namimbak ng anak ko. Oh!
To be. Not meant to be.
Not meant to be.
Half of Kylie lang makikita niya.
Chip
Ito lang.
Oh, chip, chip.
Ano? Isa pa. Isa pa daw.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Almost there.
Rematch. Come on na.
Ethan, where are you going?
Home.
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 Where you from?
Philippines.
Ha?
Ah?
Philippines?
He did karaoke.
Ah,
Karaoke siya.
아, 기다려가 너무 불안해. 아. 아.
Wear your sunscreen, okay?
아, it's okay.
There's no sun.
Oh.
Sorry, what's this say?
oh,
There's no
use
sun.
ano na lang.
Vitamin
K.
K. You need your vitamin K?
I need my vitamin E.
Wow! For vitamin E for glowing skin.
바이타민이?
Vitamin E or vitamin K?
My
What's
Ay,
it? 바이타민이?
Ethan!
It
바이타민.
means vitamin Ethan.
아, 비타민 K. 비타민 K. 아,
Ano daw?
아, 아.
See, I'm winning na. Because of Kylie.
Okay, I'll stay in the dark then.
Yan, yan, oh. Lumipat sila dito. Para lang yan sa kaitan.
Almost paradise.
Mom and Dad miss you so much. Diba? Oh my God. They miss you, Mom. They miss you. Sorry daw muna, Dad. Andito si Mom.
Masyadong malamig dito. I'll go na, ha? Ethan, I'll go. It's too cold here. Bye-bye. You take care.
파이팅! 파이팅! 아,
파이팅!
가라! 파이팅! 아,
Okay po. Okay po.
sakit ka라!
Okay po, Jagia.
Wow!
Okay po, Jagia.
Wow! Guys, narinig nyo yun? Jagia?
아?
Kylie said Jagia.
저기요! 저기요! 저기요!
Pakita nyo si... Wala si Galo dito ngayon. JJ na.
있어야 되죠?
Hindi.
아예 되죠?
Carlo. Kuya Carlo?
되죠?
Carlo mo? Carlo nyo?
Tap, tap, tap lang guys. Nandyan lang si Kylie sa labas, oh. Anytime I can call Kylie. Ginamit si Kylie.
Tama.
되죠?
Parang after eating the bread, I need a milk. You have milk?
Wala. Sorry.
It's okay. I'll throw this. Wait lang.
Ako naman.
For a bit.
Come on, let's talk. You know, yesterday I'm so busy. How about you? How are you yesterday?
Very good.
Ethan, how are you?
Very good.
You're good.
I'm very good.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Happy.
Guys, stop pa kayo kung gusto nyo ba makita si Kai. O tara. Let's go. Look. I'll just walk behind you. Okay. Walking.
Wow. Wala doon. Ah!